Ignition sequence start.
Hello, my name is Tolly, and wow, the Book of Boba Fett turns out to be absolutely incredible. Now, as many of you know, of course, spoilers, Season 2 of The Mandalorian, Rip Razor Crest. Basically, Mando gets a new ship, and it's the N1 Naboo Starfighter. Heavily modifies it, and it's this.
You'll come up to Beggar's Canyon.
So I'm really, really happy with this build, because it's now one of my favourite ships in the entire Star Wars. It's so sleek, so agile, and of course it's the Mandalorian. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.